Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO F7 Pro, and let me share with you how to change the 3 buttons navigation into the gestures in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll to find the home screen. Let's tap. Then in the other section we've got the system navigation, so let's tap on it and let's pretend I had the buttons. So here you will be able to actually customize them. So for example, mirror the back button and the recents. It's totally up to you. You can set the shortcuts and disable navigation buttons. So to set the gestures, simply tap on this animation. If you want to, you can go through the tutorial, just tap on learn. I don't want to. And now instead of the 3 buttons, we've got this line which is responsible for some gestures. If you want to, you can hide it. It's totally up to you. And here we've got also the gesture confirmation, which will be useful in some cases when, for example, you will watch a video or play a game, and you will have to double your gesture to confirm it. So in order to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center. You've got this arrow, so now you can release the finger. The same situation from the left side. If you'd like to get back directly to the home page, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and make sure that this motion is quick and short, like that. And if you want to open the recents, repeat the gesture, so from the bottom to the center, but hold your finger somewhere here, like that. So elongate it. And as you can see here, we've got the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.